Okay, listen. Yeah, you see me? Yeah, I'm fat. Yeah, yes. I'm chubby. I'm chubby actually, but I see people. I'm searching on YouTube. I'm seeing chicken sandwich, chicken sandwich. My boy, like, food ain't that good, man. You don't gotta. You don't gotta go to the place, bro. Those are good people, bro. You don't gotta rush them to make the food, bro. You can just like wait, bro. Just sit on the chair and relax, bro. Just watch your phone. Like, if they take too long, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Because they got a lot of orders, you know. So I'm just saying all to the black people that like. I'm not trying to be racist, but all to the black people that like Popeyes Chicken sandwich. It's not that good, bro. It's not that good. But you don't gotta rush into a store. And boy, like, you don't gotta rush into a store. Hold your gun. Put it on their face. Like, what kind of dude are you? Listen. So, what I'm basically saying is, food ain't that delicious. Food ain't that delicious. If you think I'm crazy in the mind, I'm not. Listen. Going crazy on food. Dude. Listen. Why? Why do you have to do this? Because this is you. This is you that don't fight. That don't like people taking their time. Like, look, I'm not Popeyes chicken sandwich at Popeyes. Those people at the restaurants that work in there. Bro, they just trying to get paid, bro. Bro, they don't have to do this job for y'all, bro. They don't have to serve food for y'all. Like, dude, why y'all going so crazy over food? I know, look at me, bro. Like, I'm having trouble with my breathing. It's alright. I don't know what's happening, but I don't know. But I'm not eating that Popeyes chicken sandwich. Hold on now. First of all, I heard somebody gonna sue me for this. I'm not. Somebody gonna take down my YouTube video. So I'm not. But if y'all know what I'm saying, yeah. To these little kids out here, don't grow up to be a kidnapper or a robber, because that can give you life in jail. Life in jail is like being a slave, because you gonna have to eat what these people eat, like spit on their food, bruh. Don't. I'm sorry, but just let the people take their time. They trying to get paid to feed their family, because sometimes you don't have the support like that. Peace out, guys. Love y'all, whoever liked on this video. So, peace. Bye-bye.